MJ. For today's video, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial, and this time it's going to be a get ready with me. And I call this look Gandang Pulbo at Liptint lang. So if you wanna know how I made that look that you've seen on my thumbnail, just keep on watching. When you're doing your makeup, you must do your skincare. So here I'm just applying this thing on my face kasi nagbe-breakout na naman ako. Kina-emphasize ko yung sa my forehead ko kasi dito yung mga acne ko. And we're done with our skincare. So the next thing that we're going to use is this concealer from Maybelline. It is Fit Me Concealer. I forgot what shade is this, but so I'm just spreading this on my under eyes like this. Lagyan natin yung pimples natin para hindi siya mapansin. For me, when I'm applying concealer kasi, I'm not gonna blend it immediately. I just let it sit on my face for a couple of seconds para mag-blend siya sa skin ko. I don't know, I prefer it that way kasi feeling ko meron siyang changes if i-blend ko agad and I let it sit for a few seconds. So, I'm just gonna wait for a couple of seconds before I blend it with my sponge. And, okay. So, after, I don't know, ilang seconds na ba yung lumipas. So, i-blend ko na siya gamit itong sponge. So, nabasa ko na ito and napiga ko na. So, hindi na siya magmo-moist ng water. When you're using a sponge, make sure you squeeze it yung wala talagang water na maglalabas para ma-blend na maayos yung concealer or yung foundation nyo. Kasi, when napansin ko, when you're applying when you're putting a foundation, liquid foundation, concealers, or whatever in your face, and you're using a blender and hindi siya masyadong what do you call that, hindi siya masyadong napiga and meron pang water na a-affect yung pag-blend niya. When you're using a sponge, make sure that you squeeze it properly na wala talagang water na lalabas. So, ayun lang, you can blend it na. So, I'm just blending it. Yung sponge na to kasi gusto ko yung color niya. Ba't ko yung mga mint na mga colors kasi. Biniblend ko lang siya ng maayos. What?
Wala.
And we're done blending our concealer. Pero for me, hindi pa kasi ako satisfied sa coverage niya sa pimples ko. Kasi nga, nag-breakout ako best. So, ayun. Papatungan ko pa siya ng concealer para, ayun, hindi siya visible. Tingnan, sibol.
Mag-break ba dito?
Yes. Oo.
Mag-break na inala.
Breakout.
Unas.
Saba ba? Nagabot akong makeup. Again, I'm just blending it with this sponge. Ba't ginawa niya sponge ba? Look at her. Look at this. So cute. And we're done with our concealer. We're done with blending it. The next thing that we're going to use is we're setting it with powder. Oh my god, I forgot my powder. Bigyan akong powder. Nasa kwarto. So we're done blending our concealer. The next thing that we're going to use is a powder, we need to set this one. And guys, by the way pala, when you're blending your makeup, make sure you take your time para hindi siya mag-cakey yan sa face nyo, diba? Ang pangit ng tingnan. So, I'm taking my time blending here. Okay, finally we're done with our concealer. The next thing that we're going to we are going to do is we're gonna set it with powder. So for setting this one, I'm gonna use Johnson's powder. Yes, inilagay ko na din siya dito kasi para dumikit talaga yung powder, hindi tayo mag-oily ganun, para mag-set talaga siya. So, nilagay ko na lang siya sa forehead ko, tsaka nilagay ko na lang siya dito. Kasi, nasa sa atin kasi kung paano tayo mag-bake, diba? So, kanya-kanyang bake na yun. Basta binake nyo yung mukha nyo, yun na yun. So, yan. Antayin lang natin na mag-set to, tapos tsaka natin i-blend gamit yung brush. So, ayan, nilalagay ko lang yung excess powder dito sa aking face. Kasi sayang. Don't forget your neck, guys. And we are done with putting powder all over our face. We'll just wait for a couple of seconds para mag-set siya sa face natin. Tsaka natin siya i-blend. So, then, pangkuha ng brush ko, please. So, we got here our brushes. Thank you, Ben. So, I'm just gonna use this one. So, this is Pangling brush. So, i-blend lang natin yung powder sa face natin. Bet ko yung pagsaset niya sa face ko, sabi ko sa inyo kasi diba, when you're applying concealer, feeling ko yun yung yun yung nakitulong kasi yung wait ng ilang seconds bago i-blend yung concealer. Parang meron talaga siyang effect na hindi ko ma-explain, pero I think it makes the makeup look better. So, I'm just blending it. And I love how the powder, the concealer blends on my face. Kasi nga, we took our time in blending it. When you're setting your face with powder, you can also buy, if ayaw nyo ng Johnson's baby powder, meron din naman yung Nichido na setting powder. Yun, pwede nyo yun bilhin. Pero mas feel ko kasi talaga yung Johnson kasi parang light lang siya kasi pang baby, ganun. Parang ayoko yung masyadong madaming makeup sa face ko. Prefer ko pa rin yung medyo natural siya. Kasi kahit may konting makeup yung face ko, gusto ko pa din may halo siyang parang natural lang, ganun. Hindi siya matatawag na makeup. Ayun. So, ayun ka, Johnson's yung bet kong pang-setting powder. Kasi pwede din naman, diba? Kahit anong powder actually. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga yung powder na makeup na pang-set, you can buy the Nichido setting powder at Watson's or supermarkets. Mura lang siguro yun, nasa mga 200 below, I think. You can check it out naman if you want to. So, finally, we are done with our powder. The next thing that we're going to use, guys, is this eyebrow from Wet n Wild. Kasi nga, diba, kilay is life. So, ayun, makikilay na naman tayo. And, this time, we're not gonna do the lakadong eyebrow. We are just gonna make it look natural, yung hindi talaga, yung messy siya at the same time, hindi yung pangit tingnan. Parang natural lang siya na kilay, ganun. I don't know what shade is this, pero whatever. Again, I'm just gonna put this on my eyebrow. Fill in na natin yung eyebrows natin. Wag na natin unflick. Since we are aiming for a natural look. So, I'm just doing this. Just filling it in. Be careful, kasi siya para siyang pag dinikit mo siya when this thing, pag dinikit mo siya sa eyebrows mo when you're applying, nag-aano siya kumakapal siya. So, dapat light hands lang. Kasi nakapal ko siya, tignan nyo. But we'll fix that later. So, in this side, I'm just gonna use my light hands. Tatanggalin lang natin yung mga sobra. So, again, I'm just filling it in. And okay na ako dito. Again, we're not doing a on-flip brow kasi we are aiming for a natural look. So, since it's a natural look, our brows must look natural. Isa din kasi yung brows sa mga ano ba tawag yun? Parang isa na din yung brows sa ma-judge mo if it is a natural look or if plakadong makeup. Diba? Pansin mo yun. So, we're done with our eyebrows. We're gonna blend our brows using a spoolie. So, I got here a spoolie. And I'm gonna blend it using a spoolie. So, I'm just doing this. Blending it. Para hindi, para mag-spread yung product sa eyebrows natin. Hindi natin sa kabila. As you can see, medyo parang nakapalan ko dito yung side kasi hindi ko natansya yung eyebrow natin, yung pangkilay natin. We are done with blending our eyebrow. The next thing that we're going to use is this. This is Nichido eyebrow gel. Ito yung gagamitin natin pang set sa kilay natin. Set natin yung kilay natin namin. Itong eyebrow gel natin. Kung gusto nyo yung mga bushy eyebrows, I suggest you buy, mga eyebrow gel kasi, tingnan nyo, as you can see, diba parang nililift niya yung eyebrows niya. So, when gusto nyo ma-achieve yung, kung gusto nyo ma-achieve yung bushy eyebrow, you set your eyebrows with eyebrow gel. Ako kasi most of the time, hindi talaga ako nagkilay. I just use eyebrow gel. And then, ayun, achieve ko na agad yung bushy eyebrows. Pero kung ba't nyo pa din magkilay at the same time gusto nyo iset para plakadong bongga yung kilay nyo, then go for it. Basta ayun lang, kung gusto nyo yung bushy eyebrows, pili kayo ng eyebrow gel, tapos gamitin yung pang set. So we are done setting our eyebrows. The next thing that we are going to use is this eyelash curler. Optional naman tong eyelash curler kung bet nyo mag-curl ng lash, edi ko, kung ayaw nyo naman, edi wag, ganun. Pero sa akin, bet ko mag-eyelash curler. So, lift ko yung lash ko gamit ito. Eyelash curler. Kasi, when you're doing this eyelash curler, it opens your eyes, like, hindi siya sleepy, ganun. Nakaka-help siya para hindi kayo mukhang antuking, ganun. Yung mga lashes na mga nakalift. And kung bet nyo din naman lagyan ng mascara, go for it. You can use naman the eyebrow gel for doing your mascara, pero para sa akin, gusto ko lang siya na ganito. Pero ako sa inyo, bet nyo lagyan ng mascara, go. Pero gusto ko lang siya na ganito. So, we are done with our eyebrows and our lashes. The next thing that we're going to use, guys, is finally this lip tint. This is Ever Bilena Lip and Cheek Roller in the shade Night Berry. So we're gonna use this on our cheeks. When you're putting lip tint on your face, make sure you're very careful kasi pag nasobrahan nyo, diba, para kayong clown. Ang kapal ng blush nyo. So, ayun nga, careful lang tayo. Dab lang tayo ng konti. And then blend agad. Natatakot talaga ako every time gagawin ko to kasi baka mapasobrahan ko yung paglagay. But I'm doing my very best here to be careful. So, ganito na yung gagawin ko. Mag-a-apply na lang ako dito sa hands ko. Tsaka ko siya ilalagay dito sa cheeks ko. Kasi natatakot ako. I don't know kung kita nyo, pero kakapalan ko para mapansin sa video. So we are done putting lip tint on our cheeks. The next thing that we're going to use is this one. But this one is optional, guys. Kung gusto niyo naman na lumabas ng nakalip tint lang sa cheeks, okay na. Pero kung gusto niyo din naman na maging extra, maglagay din kayo ng eyeshadow. Kung pwede din naman. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting eyeshadow para lang ma-highlight yung eyes ko. Konting-konti lang talaga. Pwede din naman yung lip tint din kung bet nyo, pero gusto ko kasi ng ibang colors. Ayun. Wala ako ng shade dito. And, ano ba? Ito lang. This shade. Parang lang. Pang highlight lang. Ganun. Para may something sa eyes natin, hindi siya dull. So, we are done with our eyes. Parang bumaba ata yung eyebrows ko. So, lalagyan ko muna siya ng eyebrow gel. There. We are done with our cheeks, eyes, and our brows. The next thing that we're going to use is, of course, this lip tint again. And we're gonna put this on our lips now. Mabango siya, guys. Mabango yung lip tint niya. Para siyang very, smell niya. Para siyang grapes. Yung naalam niyo yung juice na grapes. Yung amoy, yung powder, ganun. Parang ganun yung amoy niya. So, we are done. Actually, kung gusto nyong lagyan ng highlighter, go for it. Pero, naglagay na kasi ako dito ng parang shining shimmering something na shade. So, I won't go for highlighter na. So, bet ko na lang yung ganito. Kasi kung lalagyan ko pa ng highlighter, masyado ng over. So, bet ko na yung ganito lang siya. So, ayun, as you can see, we have our bushy eyebrows, our cheek tint here on our face, at the same time that we use on our lips, and our eyeshadow is this one. The shining, shimmering something. I don't know what shade is this kasi wala kasing name yung shades dito eh. So, ayun, this is the final look. Yet, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna finalize this look, guys. Okay, so I'll be right back. So, yes, I'm back, guys. And this is the final look. As you can see, inayos ko lang yung hair ko. And yes, this is it. This is the Gandang Pulbo at Lip Tint lang / I don't know, maybe extra. Gandang Pulbo Lip Tint extra version. So, if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell notification. So, what?
That's it.
That's it. See you on my next video.